In this video we will look at the top 5 best epilators for facial hair available on the market today. We made this list after interviewing professional artists, researching, testing and based on customer reviews. We have considered their product quality, features, and values when narrowing down the top choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, check these links in the description box below. Number 5. Remington Smooth & Silky Deluxe Rechargeable Epilator. Remington Smooth & Silky features 40 automatic tweezers that work rapidly and efficiently to remove the maximum number of hairs with each pass. It removes hair from the root for long-lasting results. You can enjoy hair-free skin for up to 6 weeks with this magnificent epilator. Its gentle lift and grip tweezers comfortably grab short hair for thorough hair removal. This set includes a massaging cap with aloe vera for soothing skin, and a precision cap for use on the face and detail areas. Dual speed settings let you find the performance that's most comfortable for you. The built-in light reveals fine hairs for easy removal. The pivoting head lets you find the perfect angle for removing hair as it moves with the contours of your body. Smooth & Silky has a built-in detail light and pivoting head for more precision. The light will guide you and make sure that you do not miss even the finest hair as the pivoting head stays close to the skin and easily moves around the curves of your body. Remington Smooth & Silky is 100% waterproof, which means that it is suitable for wet use. You can get rid of your unwanted hair quickly in the shower without making a mess. Enjoy the ease of cordless use with the rechargeable battery that includes a low-power indicator light. This set includes a massaging cap with aloe vera for soothing skin, and a precision cap for use on the face and detail areas. Number 4. Philips Beauty Cithinelli Essential Cord Epilator. This travel-friendly epilator from Philips is as gentle as it is cute. It treats sensitive skin areas with the utmost care with hygienic discs and a cap for delicate areas, which keeps irritation at bay while precisely removing hair. Since it has 2 speed settings, you're able to switch between thicker and thinner hair areas with the click of a button, making your grooming routine a breeze. The Philips Beauty Cithinelli Essential Cord Epilator is a neat shape and is easy and comfortable to use. Its ergonomic design ensures efficient epilation. The device is a small and round, flat shape that fits perfectly in the palm of your hand. It has an added grip surface at the back, so it's easy to hold. It's a lightweight epilator, so handy to pack on your travels, and it doesn't take up much space. Enjoy smooth legs for weeks with Philips Cithinelli. Gently removes hairs, as short as 0.5 mm, from the root. The rounded shape fits perfectly in your hand for comfortable hair removal. It looks great too. This epilator has a washable epilation head. The head can be detached and cleaned under running water for better hygiene. Number 3. REM Spring Facial Hair Remover. Sometimes a non-electric device just feels less intimidating and more approachable. Enter this manual option. Simply bend it into an upside-down U shape, hold the ends, and twist so that it rolls up the tiny hairs on your face. The effect is similar to that of threading, but no salon visit is required. The REM Spring, on the other hand, is a simple stainless steel coil that basically operates as a manual facial epilator. It engineered for precision, tested for fast, consistent, flawless results. Suitable for sensitive skin, manufactured in a pharmaceutical-grade facility. Since it's not an electric epilator and it doesn't make any noise, the REM, the perfect facial epilator for quick touch UPS on the go, pretty much anywhere, anytime. Say goodbye to creams, depilatories, waxes, bleaches, shavers and expensive treatments. Fast and easy to use. Portable. Affordable. 1-year manufacturer warranty. Number 2. Braun Epilator Silk-épil 33-270 Epilator. If you're curious about epilating but not quite sure you're ready to commit to a super pricey device, this is a good place to start. It can be used all over the body and has the added benefit of coming with extra heads, a trimmer, razor, and like the aforementioned Braun product, a massaging rolling head to make the experience less painful. The Braun Silk-épil 3270 Epilator comes with a 1x Silk-épil 3 Epilator, 1x shaver head, 1x trimmer cap. This Braun Epilator actually fits nicely in the hand and offers good control. Its baby pink design is feminine without being over the top, which is definitely a good thing. No one needs a floral hair removal tool. Furthermore, The ergonomic design of this tool makes it easier to access the hard-to-reach spots such as the bikini line or even the back of your legs. Gently stimulate and massage your skin to reduce pain with the massage rollers. Adapts to every contour for an efficient epilation, even in difficult areas like the knee and underarm. Number 1. Panasonic Electric Shaver for Women. Panasonic ES2216 PC is a multifunctional grooming kit that combines a shaver and an epilator. The shaver attachment is designed with hypoallergenic blades that allow efficient hair removal in sensitive spots. The Panasonic Close Curves Women's Electric Shaver is affordably priced at under $30 and is your best solution to when you don't want to use a razor blade or smelly hair removal creams. This shaver has an attractive light pink, silver, and mauve appearance. It's in the traditional electric shaver shape, but gently tapers down to the base so that it's easier to hold with the hand. It is built with an internal 4-blade system that will snip off most hairs in one single pass. The 4 blades together will decrease your overall shaving time. Panasonic ensures that all 4 blades are as sharp as possible. Not only is this a cordless and rechargeable women's shaver, but it can also be used wet or dry. One full charge of the shaver will last you for 20 minutes of shaving time. Fully immersible, the ES2216 PC shaves and trims just as smoothly on dry skin as it does on wet skin. Small, lightweight design packs easy in your weekend bag or carry-on luggage. Rinse the ES2216 PC shaver and trimmer under running water after each use to keep it clean and ready for your next shave. Say goodbye to messy charging cords. The compact, space-saving AC adapter plugs right into the wall for clutter-free charging. So, if you want to buy these products, check link in the description box.